On today's episode, I'm going to show you how I make my double chocolate nice cream. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe, and I'll see you at the end to let you know what I think of it. All right, to start off with our double chocolate nice cream, we're going to need a few ingredients. First, we're going to need 3 frozen bananas, around 1/4 cup of a plant-based milk. I'm using my cashew milk. Then we're going to need 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 big tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now first, like with all my other nice creams, I like to add in the rest of the ingredients first other than the bananas. So I'm going to start with my cocoa powder. And I'm going to add in my vanilla extract. And then my cashew milk. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and take the frozen bananas and we are going to chop them into 3s, or break them into 3s. If you got bigger ones, you might be able to break them into 4s. And just like that, we've got everything in the blender. We're going to go ahead and start on low, and when we see that nice consistency, we'll go ahead and turn it off. Alright, and that took exactly a minute. Go ahead, I've got my trusty coconut bowl. I'm going to spoon this out into. As you can see, a really nice consistency. I'm going to take that out, set that down there. I'm going to take our chocolate nice cream. You see that perfect consistency. We're going to bowl it up. There we go. I'm going to set that in the freezer while I clean all this up, and I'll see you guys in a second. Hey guys, just got out of the kitchen, and here is what I have. I've got my beautiful, delicious double chocolate nice cream. And this is one of the top 3 nice cream recipes that I make for Erica and I, probably at least a couple times a week. It's super simple, 3 ingredients, and it tastes fantastic. I mean, I can't even, I guess I'll taste it and I'll let you know what I think. All that comes to mind is just a chocolate frosty. Like the exact same texture, exact same flavor, and it's low fat, plant-based, cruelty-free, and absolutely delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. If you did, go ahead and like the video. And if you want to see more awesome whole food plant-based recipes just like this one, hit the subscribe button. I'm Plant-Based Gabriel, and I will see you guys very soon.